Cardano value equivalent to $482 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $4,386 to $4,506. The earlier day closed at $44.95. The change was 0.13, 29%. Converse rate, US to ADA. Cardano gauge for August 2024. In the first place costed $24. Exorbitant cost $25, while low cost $21. They found the middle value of cost $23. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends $23. Change for August 42%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $23. Excessive costs $29, while low costs $23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $26. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends $27. Change for September 17.4%. Cardano figure for October 2024. Initially cost at $27. Excessive costs are $30, while low costs are $26. They arrived at the midpoint of costs $28. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends $28. Change for October 37%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost it's $28. Exorbitant costs $34, while low cost $28. They found the middle value of cost to $31. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends $32. Change for November 14%. Cardano estimate for December 2024. To start with cost it's $32. Exorbitant cost in $40, while low costs $32. They found the middle value of costs $35. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends $37. Change for December 15.6%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost it's $37. Excessive costs $46, while low costs $37. They arrived at the midpoint of costs $41. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends on $43. Change for January 16.2%. Cardano conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost it saw $43. Excessive costs $46, while low costs on $40. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on $43. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end saw $43. Change for February 0%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost it's on $43. Exorbitant costs on $48, while low costs on $42. They found the middle value of cost on $45. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends in $45. Change for spring 7%. Cardano conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at $45. Excessive costs are $51, while low costs are $45. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on $47. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends in $48. Change for April 7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at $48. Exorbitant costs $54, while low costs are $47. They arrived at the midpoint of costs in $50. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends in $50. Change for May 2%. Cardano conjecture for June 2025. Before all else cost at $50. Excessive costs $55, while low costs are $47. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of $51. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends in $51. Change for June 2%. As to ADA expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 274 coins. Exorbitant cost 3226, while low 2041. They found the middle value of cost 2618. The US to ADA estimate toward the month's end 3030. Change for May 39.4%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for June 2024. In the first place cost at 3030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3846, while low 2857. They found the middle value of cost 3326. The US to ADA gauge toward the month's end 3571. Change for June 17.9%. US to ADA expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 3571 coins. Exorbitant cost 45045, while low 3571. They found the middle value of cost 3964. The US to ADA estimate toward the month's end 4167. Change for July 16.7%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 4167 coins. Exorbitant cost 4762, while low 4000. They They found the middle value of cost 4319. The US to ADA gauge toward the month's end 4348, change for August 43%. US to ADA expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 4348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4348, while low 3448. They found the middle value of cost 3962. The US to ADA gauge toward the month's end 3704, change for September 14.8%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 3704 coins. Excessive cost 3846, while low 3333. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3614. The S to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 3571, change for October 36%. Us to ADA expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 35 at 71 coins. Exorbitant cost 35 at 71, while low 2941. They found the middle value of cost 3302. The S to ADA gauge toward the month's end 3125, change for November 12.5%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 3125 coins. Exorbitant cost 3125, while low 2500. They found the middle value of cost 2863. The US to ADA figure toward the month's end 2703, change for December 13.5%. US to ADA expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 2703 coins. Excessive cost 2703, while low 2174. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2477. The US to ADA figure toward the month's end 2326, change for January 13.9%. Dollar to Cardano figure for February 2025. To start with, cost at 2326 coins. Exorbitant cost 2500, while low 2174. They found the middle value of cost 2332. The US to ADA estimate toward the month's end 2326, change for February 0%. Us to ADA expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 2326 coins. Exorbitant cost 2381, while low 283. They found the middle value of cost 2253. The US to ADA estimate toward the month's end 2222, change for spring 4.5%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 2222 coins. Excessive cost 2222, while low 1961. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2122. The US to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 283, change for April 6.3%. US to ADA expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 283 coins. Excessive cost 2128, while low 1852. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 216. The US to ADA conjecture